Hey Reddit enthusiasts! Today we're diving into a quick guide on how to customize your Reddit experience with a feature we all love, dark mode. Specifically, we'll show you how to change your auto dark mode settings in just 1 minute. Let's get started. Start by opening the Reddit app on your device and signing into your account. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the most up-to-date features. On the opening page, look for your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it. In the drop-down menu, look for the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear or 3 vertical dots. Click on it to access the Settings menu, then on a new page. Under Settings, look for the option related to dark mode, Auto Dark Mode. Turn it on if you want Reddit to automatically switch to dark mode based on ambient lighting conditions. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to change auto dark mode settings on Reddit. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy your custom Reddit journey.